Our next problem gives a graph and says, for what value of x is g of x equals 6? Our graph, this blue line here, represents the function g of x. And once again, the question says, for what value of x is g of x equals 6? Now for this example, we have to keep in mind that the notation g of x means the same thing as y. So this is telling us that y equals 6. And the question is asking us for an x value. For what value of x? So we're going to take a look at our graph, and we're going to be looking for when y equals 6. So we've got our y scale here. That's the vertical scale. And we're looking for when y equals 6. So here I have y equals 6 on the vertical scale. And I want to go all the way over to the graph, and I notice that right here I have a spot on the graph where the y coordinate is 6. So let me mark that down. The y is 6. And if I look down on the x scale from that point, I can find out what the x value is at that point. And that is -5. So what I can now say is that f of -5 is equal to 6. I'm sorry, that would be g. G of -5 is 6. And so our answer to the question is that at an x value of -5, g of x is equal to 6.